This is G 106.5 FM. Bebendo enjoyment continue.
4 o'clock, don't knock. My country people, una good afternoon. As for cross stand attention, the look us for face. Na tori for Nigeria carry con give una from our tori parlour on top 5G 106.5 FM. My name na Gloria Chukwu. Federal government don start to reason to see how to settle the yawa between ASUU and federal government. This na because of the strike wey the joint body start on Sunday after the National Executive Council meeting for Akure, Ondo State. The Minister for Bulk Matter, Adamu, dey yarn for im office today say the reason for the delay wey be say they never meet the demand of ASUU na because of say they no get enough rubber to settle their case. He also come accuse the before government say na dem dey cause the yawa wey dey for ground because say dem go dey make promise wey be say dem no fit meet, and because of this ASUU come start to strike because government no fit meet the MOU wey dem sign. Prince Charles, Princess Camilla, the British High Commissioner to Niger Port Upright, and others, they don't land for presidential villa for Abuja. The prince dey for Niger to reason and rub mind together with the government to see how they go take solve the yawa and the gbege between farmers and herdsmen. The visit now also to tighten the relationship between Niger and Britako. Prince Charles take over from a Mama Queen Elizabeth II as the head of the Commonwealth of Niger for the Commonwealth of Nations for last April. Now for 2006, during the before Presido Olusegun Obasanjo, they visit Nigeria last. The Senate don hala committee on top police matter to touchlight the matter where some people wey be say dem go carry gun wan go kill the deputy Senate President Ike Ekweremadu and im family. Na exactly 4 a.m. early momo na the people come land there carry big gun to attack the security wey dey for Ekweremadu house for Abuja. But he said they arrest one of the men. Senate President Bukola Saraki come dey hala the police say dem no quick attend to Ekweremadu when he called them for help, and say make the Senate also torchlight the matter. Oga President Muhammadu Buhari don appoint Abike Dabiri Erewa as Chemo and Chief Executive Officer of the National Diaspora Commission. Senate President Bukola Saraki na read the letter to members of the Senate for the meeting today. Dabiri Erewa na the Senior Special Advisor to President on top of Obodo Oyibo matter and also member of the House of Representatives. INEC don hold meeting with stakeholders for Badagry to take display the voters register wey be say dem go start for today. Na for 8,465 polling units for Lagos State. Now dem go display the names of registered voters for people to see from today go reach November 12. Those wey be say show for the meeting are political parties officials, security operatives, traditional chiefs, representative of National Orientation Agency, and those wey be say they don't reach to vote. INEC electoral officer for Badagry Oluwole Babalola come talk say the meeting na to let the people to know wetin dey happen. The INEC official come hala the security agency to protect INEC staff during the exercise. To make sure say security carry Joko consider for the 2019 general election, the Director General of NYSC, Brigadier General Suleiman Kazuri, say NYSC members no go work for the areas where gbege and kasala dey. The Director General of NYSC now give the assurance during when he truly go visit NYSC 2018 Batch C for Shagamu, Ogun State for today. Director General tell Tori people say it is very important to protect the life of the corps members. He can advise corps members say make dem not do any kukere waka comot for the area where they post them put. Lagos State Police Command don arrest one 65-year-old man, Lukman Haruna, from Niger Republic, sake of say he go by force violating one 10-year-old girl. Na gender unit of the command na im arrest Haruna for 2nd of November. The Commissioner of Police Imoyemi Edgar say na because of the complaint wey be say dem get na im make dem come go arrest the suspect, but the suspect tell our tori person say he dey innocent for the matter. Still on top police matter, Lagos State Police Chief say the force also don arrest one woman who go lock im omodo put for inside toilet. Our tori person Gbenga Adewoye come report say the gender unit of the command don also dey ask the suspect question. Last country pay on top tori for Naija for this better afternoon. Imo State government say the number of people wey be say dem get HIV infection say e don drop well as they do serious campaign for people to sabi the danger of the disease. Commissioner for Intergovernment and Donor Agency Dr. Ernest Wagbo na im come explain say na because of the serious campaign wey the government do say na im make the disease reduction. Wagbo come also explain say the state also collabo with International Donor Agency Global Fund to take care of those wey be say already get the disease. He come encourage people wey be say they already get the virus to dey very disciplined and sabi hold themselves when e reach sex matter so that they no go spread the disease. My country pay. Na so we see am on top tori for Naija for inside this better afternoon. Our people dey talk and say if foolishness wey push man to go marry second wife, say the foolishness no go push am also to go build house. So therefore, my country pay, make una shine una eyes on top this rainy season. No dey throw away dirty and yamayama put for inside gutter. Sake of say that dirty and yamayama e go block gutter, and when rain go fall, flood water e no go see where to pass. And we pray make story that touch no begin dey come out for inside the mouth. Abiola Aberagba na im package this tori for Naija give me for inside this better afternoon. My country people, my name never change. Na me be Gloria Chukwu. Make una stay with 5G 106.5 FM. 6 o'clock I will carry tori brekete come give una good afternoon.